Good day, Mom. I'm Jay. So I am Lisan C. Abragan and I will be presenting my code here. So first we have here our array, which is the employees. So first we have your name. Second name. Um, this is the formula given to us, but I changed the name. So Carl Louis Lacker position example position software engineer and days work 20, daily rate 1,500 and deduction 200. 2000. So I'm basing it into your given formula, ma'am. So next we have here our function. So function format text. The parameter is text and it will return the UC word start to lower as text. So it means that example we have here our name Aaron John Salcedo. So here as you can see it it the first letter is not capitalized. So once I have using this function, once I have used this function, it will create capitalized letter or the first letter of it with the name. It's only for the name format name. This so next we have the function format money with the parameter amount, and it will once it will go through with it, so it will return the p sign or the peso sign. So number format and the dollar sign amount. So here as you can see we have here the peso sign and the money format. Next we have here the calculate gross pay. So we have here the parameter days work and daily rate. So here the process here is to times or the we have here multiplication. So here as you can see that the days work times daily rate. So it will automatically times the days work and the daily rate so let example calcu 20 times 1.5. So it will you will get 30 for Carlacre 30,000. So we have here the gross pay. Next we have here the calculate net pay. So for here we are using subtraction of formula. So here we have parameter gross pay and deduction. So it will return the dollar sign gross pay and subtract or minus the deduction. So it will minus it will calculate the net pay. So basically it only subtract the both of it, the gross pay and deduction. So next function to get the highest net pay is to net pay. So here in order to get the highest net pay, we have here I'm using highest, which is it doesn't have any value, and next like zero, it starts zero, or once it will go for each, it will be having a value. So first we have here for each payroll as worker. I'll be using okay, that's okay. Worker. The next if highest is equal to null, which is zero, or worker is greater than highest to net pay. So that is only equal. So it does nothing for but it will but it, the high will be passed to the worker. So worker is the greatest. So greatest value. So next we have here the highest is equal to worker. So in order to get the highest, so it will be first passed to the new new word, so or new variable, so which is the worker. So payroll as act as a worker. So it's same with the payroll, but and next we have to enter return the highest. I mean highest, yes. Huh? Highest. Yeah. It will return the highest. So highest, and the value of the highest now is from 0 to, since he holds the worker, the work, it will return the highest net pay. So next we have here the get total payroll. So here, as you can see, the total is 0 for each. I'm using I function rather to get the payroll. So for each, same with the get highest net pay. So payroll as worker, the dollar sign total, and iteration or addition equals, it will loop. I mean it will get additional. So from 0 to 1, 2, 3, such as like that. So it will loop or add rather, then it returns the total. Next we have our empty array container. So payroll info doesn't have any value or any kind of for now is only a container, but I will change that. So first we have here for each employees as employee. I will using for loop or the for each rather. So next we have here the dollar sign gross pay. So I'll be naming the variable gross pay. So he will hold the function, which is the calculate gross pay here. Next we have here our net pay. So the net pay, it will hold the calculate net pay function. So we have here the gross pay and employee, and for the gross pay we have here our employee days work and the employee daily rate. For the yeah, for the gross pay is multiplication, and for the net pay is subtraction. So here we put our information or data from the empty container. So we have here the payroll info. So name, I will be putting name format text, which is our function name. Then position format text. So mostly here is from the function. And but for the gross pay, we have here our holder or the holder for the our function. Next, use sort payroll info and function. So this, it will sort for the ascending and descending. So A is gonna hold for the descending, and B is for the descending, and A is for descending. So that's why they prioritize the highest net pay. So it will get the net pay. since we have here our payroll info and also for the function $a and $b. Next, this is the format for our table, which is the equal, the name or the title, equal again. Next, we have here our spaces for our name, position, days work, daily rate, and net pay. So the purpose for printf here is for the spaces. Next, echo is for the line, which is this. Next, so I'll be using for each again for the payroll info and as worker. So the payroll info works as worker. So printf again for the spaces, and we have here our, so it will be pass here our our function or the our payroll info array container. So it will be giving it will pass here. So we have here the name Aaron Johnson. So basically this this part is gonna output the name, position, days work, and daily rate, and gross pay and deduction and net pay, which is this output from the container. So we have here Aaron John Salcedo, name or position, manager, days work 18, daily rate 2,000, and gross pay 36,000, and deduction is 3,000, and net pay 33,000. So basically this format is descending since he's the highest, and the middle I mean the second highest is net highest net pay is Kim Escobedo, and the third lastly is Carl Luis Lacre. So next, we have here our line again for the echo string repeat, and here our highest, which is from the our highest function. So it will be outputting here the highest or output. It will be giving some output here for the highest, which is Aaron Jan Salcedo, that has 33,000 net pay. So next, I will be outputting the format, I mean total payroll, the total payroll cost. So we have earned the 90,000 for cost for the total payroll cost for Aaron Jan Salcedo. So format money highest net pay, and format money get total payroll is from the function that has been passed here. And that's it, mom. That's it, mom. Thank you.